Welcome friends! Today we're diving into how you can transform a simple video into an animated masterpiece using AI. Step 1. Know your tools and software. First and foremost, you need to familiarize yourself with the tools and software available that can assist in creating animated videos. Step 2. Choose your video. Select the video you wish to animate. Keep in mind, the video clip should be short, akin to YouTube Shorts. Step 3. Transform the video into animation using AI. Utilize AI tools to transform the video into an animated form. Here are the steps. Choose an AI tool capable of animating videos. Upload your video to the tool and configure the necessary settings. Prompt the tool to create the animation and enjoy the results. Step 4. Edit and share. Make necessary edits to the animated video, such as inserting text or adding music. Then, record it for YouTube Shorts and share away. So friends, that's a simple way you can turn your ordinary video into an animated video using AI. Share your experience in the comments and be sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and see you in the next video.